In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your history on Reddit. So to go and clear both your search history and also your browsing data on Reddit, the first thing we need to do is just go and open up the Reddit application. Now you can do this on both a computer and also a mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, we need to click on the profile icon in the top right hand side, click on settings at the bottom of this page, and then scroll down until you see the option to go in clear local history. So if I go ahead and click on this button and press OK, that's going to clear all of our browsing data on the Reddit application. So if I now come over to the search icon, for example, you can see that all of my saved searches have now disappeared. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work for you, then you may just need to log out of your account and then sign back in just to go in and refresh the application. Another thing you can do is if you go in search for a term on Reddit, so let's say for example I go and search for cats and press search. If I now come back over to this search icon, you can see that this search has been saved, and we can delete this individually as well just by pressing the cross icon next to the search. That's another way you can go and delete all of your history. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.